At Big Bird Foods, we take pride in being a leading name in Pakistan's poultry industry. Our commitment to quality, hygiene, and innovation drives everything we do. Our state-of-the-art processing facility integrates cutting-edge technology with strict quality controls to deliver premium poultry, locally and globally.
Big Bird started its poultry business in 1985. And it started with the breeding companies, and later on, after 20 years, we went into this processing business. But during these 20 years of business in the poultry sector, Big Bird became one of the major players in the poultry industry of Pakistan.
Our process begins well before sunrise, with the overnight transportation of birds, a deliberate step to minimize heat stress. The birds arrive at our facility and are gently settled into a specially designed, climate-controlled holding area. Here, we carefully regulate temperature, humidity, and resting time to ensure their comfort and uphold the highest standards of animal welfare, which in turn enhances overall meat quality and freshness. We strictly follow halal practices. Our trained Muslim staff performs each slaughter manually with ablution, wudu, and the recitation of takbir. Every step is carried out while facing the Qibla and is regularly audited to ensure religious and ethical compliance.
The orientation of the building was such that the people who slaughter the chicken, they are facing Kaaba. And they recite takbir while slaughtering, and they slaughter manually, so that we meet all the halal standard practices. So this was one of the best things that we did during the designing, that we made sure that when we say halal, it should mean in letter and spirit.
Post-slaughter, scalding loosens feathers to facilitate defeathering. Our mechanical evisceration system uses automated machines to harvest viscera hygienically. We then conduct a thorough inspection, because when it comes to hygiene, we leave nothing to chance. Using automated systems, we precisely remove and separate the internal organs. Edible organs are thoroughly cleaned, washed, and packaged, while non-edible parts are sent for rendering, ensuring a zero-waste process. At Big Bird Foods, innovation drives us forward, with air chilling as our flagship technology. As pioneers of poultry processing in Pakistan, using this cutting-edge method, we rapidly reduce carcass temperature to 4 degrees centigrade without water absorption, resulting in superior texture, enhanced flavor, and minimized microbial growth.
There are two systems that are used internationally and locally also. One is water chilling, and the other is air chilling. The world is now moving towards air chilling. So when we started this project, so Big Bird decided that we should have air chilling system, which is the future technology of the processing plants. In this, the chilled air is circulated inside the room, and the birds hang on the shackles, and they move for about 1.2 kilometers inside over a period of 90 minutes. And when they leave that room, they are at 4 degrees centigrade to make sure that later on the bacterial growth cannot take place. So that is a very important feature of this plant, and this plant was the first in Pakistan to have this technology.
Once chilled, carcasses move to our precisely maintained deboning hall, where the environment is kept at 10 degrees centigrade. Our skilled teams prepare a variety of cuts while ensuring the meat stays consistently cold, preserving peak freshness at every step. Every processed item is screened through metal detectors to eliminate contamination risks. Once cleared, we package the meat securely, ready for freezing. Our blast freezers lock in freshness by rapidly bringing temperatures down to -18 degrees centigrade, ensuring long shelf life without compromising quality. The products are then transferred to our cold storage, where they remain safely preserved under strict temperature control. In our further processing zone, flavor takes center stage as we expertly infuse our meat with signature spices, gently tumbling it through tumbler marination, while injection marination ensures deep, even penetration for a consistently delicious taste. The meat mixing area is equipped with advanced machinery. Bowl choppers and cutters are used to finely chop chicken skin, vegetables, and other ingredients. Grinder processes both chilled and frozen meat into desired textures. And Unimix machine blends ground meat with spices, marinades, and additives to create uniform mixtures. The prepared mixture is expertly shaped using forming machines before entering our multi-stage coating process. It begins with an initial layer, either a liquid batter or a dry powder, depending on the product requirements. This is followed by a final coating of flour, breadcrumbs, or other ingredients to achieve the desired texture and crunch. We offer variants in regular, spicy, and crispy profiles to suit every preference. Once coated, the products are flash fried to set the outer layer, and fully cooked items are then oven baked using steam and hot air to ensure thorough doneness and eliminate microbiological risks. From everyday meals to indulgent gatherings, Big Bird Foods brings you a complete selection. Ready to cook, processed chicken, fully cooked, and a flavorful barbecue range, crafted for convenience, quality, and taste that satisfies every craving. Once cooked, our products enter the IQF system, freezing each item at -15 degrees centigrade in under an hour. They're then packaged, bagged, weighed, sealed, checked again for metal contamination, and packed in cartons. Finally, they're stored at -18 degrees centigrade, fresh, safe, and ready for delivery. Our R&D lab is equipped with miniature versions of key processing equipment, including sprayers, tumblers, bowl choppers, mincers, and cookers that replicate the functionality of our main production plant on a small scale. The purpose of this setup is to test new product development and improvements through controlled, small batch trials. Only after a recipe meets quality and performance standards in these trials do we scale it to bulk production on our main lines.
One of the area which is our passion and we really feel proud about it is the R&D lab. So in that lab we have miniature equipment of all the factory. So we can produce the products there just in the same manner as it will be done when it will be put to production.
At Big Bird Foods, quality and safety begin in our in-house analytical and microbiology labs, run by a dedicated QA team. Products undergo continuous testing, from oil quality and temperature checks to microbial and nutritional analysis using certified methods. Each batch is first reviewed by an expert sensory panel, then rigorously tested in our labs. Only products that meet all safety and quality benchmarks are approved for market release. For distribution, we rely on thermally insulated trucks that maintain optimal product temperatures throughout transit, alongside refrigerated containers that ensure consistent freezing during long-distance transportation. Together, these measures guarantee our products reach their destinations without any temperature fluctuations, preserving their quality and safety every step of the way. As part of our sustainability commitment, Big Bird is shifting its energy needs to solar power, significantly reducing dependence on the grid and cutting carbon dioxide emissions. Alongside, a continuous plantation drive is underway, with trees being added across our facilities and public spaces. These efforts reflect our dedication to environmental responsibility and reducing our climate impact. Every product that leaves our facility reflects our commitment to global standards. We are FSSC certified for food safety systems, HACCP compliant for critical control, Halal certified and licensed under Punjab Food Authority, PFA, and PSQCA regulations. Big Bird Foods proudly exports to key international markets. We also serve as a food supplier to restaurant chains operating in these countries. Additionally, select products such as specialty cuts and seasoned items are exported to Far East markets, further expanding our global footprint.
ये जो हमने इसके डिज़ाइनिंग में और इक्विपमेंट में और हाइजीन स्टैंडर्ड्स में काम किया, तो इस वजह से था कि ये इट मीट्स द इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स. तो जब इंटरनेशनल फूड कंपनीज, अदर कंपनीज, व्हेन दे केम टू पाकिस्तान, they saw our project and they were convinced that this project can meet their standards, and they started buying from us.
Big Bird Foods has redefined poultry processing in Pakistan with responsible handling and cutting-edge technology. We manage it all with one mission in mind: to bring safe, flavorful, and high-quality chicken to every fork. This is who we are. This is what we do. We are Big Bird Foods.